What's going on, family? Good morning. Welcome to One Step with Wes. I hope you guys having a very blessing day today with a lot of profits. For me, it's been a little relaxing day. There's no like a good trending direction for me, so I've been very careful on my trades today. It's been a little choppy on the futures market. If you guys trading options or stocks, it might be a different situation, but for me, this is what I've been getting, a lot of choppiness throughout the whole session. If you guys can see over here, this is what the market opens around this area. This is, yeah, around this area. And I got a selling signal, which I didn't take for one reason. Because if you guys can see this green box, this is my support area. And the price was really close to my support area. So I was thinking if I take the trade, there is a huge possibility for the price react from this level, from this area. And this is exactly what happened. Price went up or went back to my pre-market zone. This is my pre-market zone. And you guys know that I take calls above this level and then I take puts below this level. Then the price was inside the pre-market zone for a little bit and then try to came back all the way to my support area, got rejected again, went back to the pre-market zone, and then it went back to the support area. So it's been a little choppy for me, not really a good trending direction. Price try to break this level, which was the 38.2 Fibonacci level. It couldn't happen, so it got rejected. Came back to the pre-market zone again. Try to break this level again, and it couldn't break it. So now it's trying to go back. Basically, what I'm waiting is for the price to come back all the way over here, so I can take a long. I can take a scalp right now. This is my indication for me to scalp this position. This is something that I can do as well. As a matter of fact, we're just gonna try to do it right now live for you guys to see if it works, the scalping process. I don't really take scalps, to be honest. I like to be on a trade for a little bit longer, but I know there's a lot of people that love scalping trading, so but it's not my favorite trading strategy. But I just took a scalp position right now. Let's see if it works. Price is trying to go back from this area, but I think it's just gonna continue going down, probably onto this level. And if that happens, we're just gonna try to take some profits at this level. You gotta be patient, team. You gotta trust your indicators. You gotta trust your strategy. I know this is not something that I do on a daily basis. This is a scalp trading, but it was forming for me. For that reason, I took it. So I just gotta be patient and stick to the plan. Why is the reason I feel confident that the price is gonna continue down? It's the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is telling me that the price is going down. 4 red dots. The only thing that we need on Nasdaq to happen, it's for the for the pressure for the volume just to go down, and that's gonna bring the ES price down as well. We need one more indicator to align with this trend direction, which is the volume pressure, which is trying to, but I know it might be a lot of sellers. As you guys can see, there's a lot of sellers because this is our pre-market zone. So there's a lot of buyers and sellers located at this level. And at the end of the day, if there is more sellers, price is gonna continue down. But if there is more buyers, price is just gonna go back up. As simple as that, guys. All right, guys, let's see what happened with the price. It seems like Nasdaq, it's still fighting a lot at this level. At the 25,634 got rejected from this level, but still we don't know. There's more sellers than buyers. or if the buyers win, so probably they're gonna bring the price back up. At this point, what we need is the sellers to win, so the price can continue coming down at this level, where we can sell for a profit, and then probably we can buy a long or reversal as well. All right, it seems the price is coming down a little bit, and again got rejected from the pre-market zone bottom level. All the indicators are lined up in a bearish momentum. Let's see if this is true and if the momentum continues. So the position is flat right now. You guys can see over here, this is what the profit is for this position, flat 0 minus 12. I'm confident that the price is gonna continue down. We just gotta break this area right here, this support level. We just gotta break it. But I'm feeling confident that it's gonna happen. All the indications, it's aiming that we're gonna continue down for a little bit. Let's see if that happens. Price is trying, team. It's trying, but it's just having a lot of reaction, and see, Nasdaq is giving us a little some hopes that the price is just gonna continue down. At the end of the day, we are like an $87 profit. This is something that you guys want to do for the day, like $80, like $70. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna place take profit order at this level, and again, you guys need to learn how to manage your profits and your risk very well, because that's gonna make a huge difference in your trading journey if you master those steps. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to place my take profit order at this level right now. All right, I just placed my take profit order. So if price comes to this level right here, I'm just gonna take me out of the trade with a little bit of profit, close to $100, I think. Yeah, $100 when price comes to this level. I know for a lot of traders, scalping is just basically going to the trade, make like $25, $50, and just take that money out of the market. That's what basically scalping means. But I want to see there's a possibility for me to turn this as scalping into a little more profitable trade. And for that reason, I'm waiting for the price to reach this level so I can try to take a few more bucks. But that's the only reason I'm waiting for price come to this level, because I feel very confident that the price will reach this level, and for that reason, I'm waiting at this level right now. Take some profits. But you guys saw it was plus 100, plus 75, plus 85. I would have taken like any time, but still, I'm just waiting for price come to the level, because all my indicators are giving me that confidence that will get to this level. You just got to be patient now. So now it's not a scalping trade anymore. It's just kind of like a day trading position that we're working on, but still we got time. So I know we're gonna get to this level. Just be patient. This is very good for our position, because if Nasdaq keeps coming down, then the ES is just gonna do the same thing, and we're just gonna get a little reaction. Basically, what I can do is two things. I can try to get the level to reach right here, which is gonna happen any second. I hope so. And then try to open a position from this level. But since I see the move has a lot of, is very strong, I'm just gonna be patient and do not open any position here. Basically, try to close this one, and then just wait for the price on this area just to see what happened and what is the reaction for me, if the price is just gonna continue going down, or if the price is just gonna reverse from this level. But based on the condition on the market, I'm just gonna try to exit right here, and then just wait a little bit before I take another position. Another thing that I can do is, if price doesn't um, if the price finish right here, let's see, let's see what's happening. All right, we just got filled, so we just took some profits at this level. So right now we just gotta wait what is gonna happen if there's a reversal. There's a huge support at this level. The price is just gonna continue going through the support box. So basically, that's the way I do take my trades, guys. You know, I'm always try to have a lot of confidence on my indicators, but price action is playing a huge role, like within my strategy. So super important for you guys to learn how to read price action. As you guys can see, the indicator worked very well. The support levels that we had worked out very well as well. So basically what happens is the price just came down and took us out in profits, and then just got a huge reversal from this point. So this is something that I was telling you as well. Look at that huge candle happening right now. So this is something that I was telling you guys as well, that there was a possibility for me to take some profits and open another position at this level. But the reason I didn't take it is because there was a huge bearish momentum happening. But this is good to know. But the most important thing for me is like my levels worked out very well. You guys saw it live, and for that reason, you guys got to stick to the strategy. You guys noticed that my P&L was short minus $175, and but I still had the confidence that my indicators, my levels are gonna work out, and for that reason I held into the trade for all this time. So it's super important for you guys to stick to your trading strategies. That's one of the most important thing, guys. Like, be patient and stick to your plan. Not all the time you're gonna have winners, not all the times you're gonna lose. So be consistent, guys. And again, this is not motivating any of you to start trading. This is just my personal experience that I want to share with you this time. I don't want to make this video way too long. And again, guys, thank you so much for your time.